This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to draw a flowchart to find the largest of three numbers. So you can see that we have a flowchart and has terminals, starting and stop, oval symbols. Right after that we have the input symbol, the parallelogram, which is used to take three variables input A, B and C, and after that you can see a diamond symbol which is used to check the condition whether the variable A is greater than B and greater than C. If this condition becomes true, means yes, then this parallelogram symbol is used to display the output that A is the largest number. And is a keyword which is used to denote and represent that it is used to display the output. Likewise, the other way, if this condition becomes false, no, then this flow lines you can see going below and connected to this. Again, there's another checkbox, the decision diamond symbol. So here it is checked whether the variable B is greater than A and C. If this condition becomes true, then the flow line comes over here and then connected to this parallelogram symbol, and here you can see the output which is used to display that B is the largest of all, A, B and C. So B is the largest from A and C. And if this condition becomes false, you can see that C is greater than A and C is greater than B, then this checkbox, then this parallelogram will be displayed and C will be the largest number. So this whole flow chart is used to display how we can make a computer program, depending upon this flow chart, how we can take three different values and can display the largest of them. So in the end you can see that all these flow lines are connected to this stop, meaning that this is the required result from which we can either the A can be the largest number, or either B can be the largest, or C could be the largest number. So one could be the largest of all. So I'm going to interpret this program and we'll type one step after the another. So the first symbol you can see the star symbol. So I will write that. The first symbol is oval, which is used to start the flow chart. The second symbol used is a parallelogram, which is used to take input of three variables named A, B and C. This is the second symbol, parallelogram. The third one is a diamond symbol. The third symbol is a diamond symbol, which is used to decide, we can say check whether the value of input in the variable A is largest from the values stored in values input in variables B and C. I'm talking about this diamond symbol. If this condition becomes true, meaning that A is greater than B and then A is greater than C, then the flow line connected to the parallelogram with yes statement containing print A is the largest number will be the final result. So I'm talking about this case. If A is greater than the value of the A is given greater than B and then greater than C, then after this whole condition becomes true, then this output will be displayed and this will be our final result. But let's say if the value of if this condition becomes false, like A is greater than B and greater than C becomes false, means that B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So this checkbox, this decision symbol, diamond symbol will be connected and will be checked. So it is connected to this flow line, and here you can see that if A is greater than B and A is greater than C becomes false, it means that B is greater than A, B is greater than C becomes true. So if the first diamond symbol decision checking becomes false, then the flow line connected to the second diamond symbol where it is checked the value input in variable B is largest from the values input in the variables A and C. So when this condition becomes true, then the flow line with yes statement will be, I'm talking about this one, if it becomes true, then this flow line will be switched and connected to the then statement yes statement will be, then the flow line with yes statement will be connected to the parallelogram containing the statement print B is the largest number will be the final result. So when this condition becomes true, then the flow line with yes statement will be this. I'm talking about this one. If this condition, the whole condition B is greater than A, then A and B is greater than C becomes true, then this flow line will be connected to this parallelogram. So when this condition becomes true, then the flow line with yes statement, this statement, will be connected to the parallelogram, will be connected to this parallelogram containing the statement print B is the largest number will be our final result. But in case condition this one I'm talking about, if this, but I'm connecting this paragraph to this paragraph, but in case the condition E greater than A and B greater than C becomes false, then talking about this one, false, no, then the flow line with the statement no will be connected to the parallelogram which contains the statement print C is the largest number will be the final result. So when we run this flowchart, there could be only one possible result, whether this one, because all these parallelograms are used with the print statement are used to display the output of this flowchart. There could be only one. There are they're giving three inputs, three variables A, B, C, but there can be only one result. Whether the A is the largest number or whether B could be the largest or C could be the largest. This could be only one possibility. So in this case, print C is the largest number, the final result. All the parallelogram symbols with print statement which is used to display the output are eventually connected to the oval symbol contains the keyword stop, which is used to represent that the flowchart is now stopped. So I'm gonna bold all these symbols names and the reserved notation, keyword start and stop, all these things, variables names as well, which are used. And I'm gonna again type the condition as well. So this is called condition, like if you can see in this diamond, basically there are two diamond symbols, decision making symbols are used, which contains, the first one contains this: A is greater than A greater than C, this expression, and this expression is B is greater than A and B is greater than C, both are checked. So I'm gonna write over here, and first I will making them bold and then type the exact condition, or you can say expression. So here I've used the condition B is greater than B, can see over here, and in the next decision symbol, diamond symbol. So I will be highlighting all of them, making them bold for making them prominent. It is very necessary to make them bold because this way you can easily understand all these special terms and keywords which are used in this flow chart. Should be capitalized and should be bold. So in this condition, which condition? Here is A is greater than A greater than C, so I will write over here. If the condition A is greater than B and A is greater than C becomes true. So this whole condition expression will be checked, and if it becomes true, then the flow line connected to the parallelogram with yes statement, this one containing print A is the largest number, will be the final result, or you can say will be the executed. When you perform a program, write a program, and then compile it, translate it from high level to low level, then this process is called execution, but here we call it the final result, because there could be, so I'm gonna write over here, note that it is important to note that there could be only one result of this flow chart, whether A could be the largest from B and C, and whether or B or C could be largest from A. So there could be only one result, whether this could be our final result, whether this could be or whether this could be. Likewise, if I just for as an example, if we give 5 to A, 3 to B, and 1 to C, then what will happen? Now A contains 5, B contains 3, and C contains 1. So here 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 1, then it becomes true, that this whole expression condition becomes true. Then this flow line with the yes statement will be connected to this parallelogram, and when A is the largest, that means 5 is the largest of 3, and 1 will be executed, and it will be this flow line coming outside from this parallelogram will be connected to the stop symbol oval, and this flow chart will be entered. So this is one example. You can put different values over here and check whether the B and C can be the largest of A. You can give multiple values, different values, and can run through from this flow chart, and it will give you the required result correctly and positively. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video, and keep watching and keep liking my all videos as well. Thank you.